If this guide helped, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. How to stream Disney Plus on YouTube TV. Welcome to our guide on streaming Disney Plus via YouTube TV. If you're looking to maximize your streaming experience and enjoy Disney's vast library alongside your favorite YouTube TV channels, you've come to the right place. While Disney Plus and YouTube TV are separate services, we'll show you how to integrate them seamlessly. First, it's important to note that Disney Plus isn't directly available as a channel on YouTube TV. However, you can access both platforms using a compatible device. Here's how. Begin by ensuring you have active subscriptions for both YouTube TV and Disney Plus. You can subscribe to Disney Plus by visiting their official website, and YouTube TV is accessible via its platform. Next, you'll need a compatible streaming device. This can be a smart TV, streaming stick like Roku or Amazon Fire TV, or even gaming consoles such as Xbox or PlayStation. On your selected device, download the Disney Plus app. You can find it in the App Store or Channel Store of your device. Similarly, ensure the YouTube TV app is installed. After installation, open the Disney Plus app on your device and log in with your credentials. Do the same with the YouTube TV app. To easily switch between the two, use your streaming device's remote control to navigate. You can quickly swap from watching YouTube TV sessions to enjoying Disney Plus shows without hassle. While the services run independently, you can enhance your viewing by using features like screen mirroring, if supported, to stream from your mobile device. Once everything is set, relax and enjoy the diverse content. From Disney classics to live TV, the world's entertainment is at your fingertips.